Today, we're taking those perfectly good blinds you already have and making them completely smart. We're talking no full replacements, absolutely no expensive contractors, and yeah, zero drilling holes you can't easily undo later.
A brand new set of motorized smart blinds from a premium brand like Lutron, that's gonna run you about $600 a window. But a retrofit device, that's just $50 per window. That massive price difference matters to your wallet right now, especially if you have a whole house to upgrade. By the end of this explainer, you're gonna know exactly how to get this done in your own home.
Look, you already own blinds that block out the sun and give you privacy, right? They work perfectly fine. The only thing they're really missing is the ability to control them from your phone or by just using your voice. It's kind of like adding a remote starter to a car you already own. You don't throw the whole car away, you just add the remote starter. Well, a retrofit device is exactly that. It's a tiny, clever motor that literally just clips right onto your current blind mechanism. Saves $8 to $12 per window. And this is exactly why this upgrade matters so much right now. We're finally dealing with mature, tested tech here, not some clunky early beta hardware. Because these things automatically tilt based on exactly where the sun is, they drastically reduce solar heat gain in your house. That means your AC works way less. Plus, since it's a totally zero modification, renter-friendly design, you just clip it on. And if you ever move out, you pop it off and take it right with you.
But here is where most buyers make a very expensive mistake.
The absolute biggest blunder is buying the wrong type of motor for your specific blinds. Take 10 seconds right now and go check your windows. Do you have a plastic twist wand? Or maybe a continuous beaded loop chain? Or do you have horizontal blinds where you really want a hidden rail? Most of these retrofit devices are custom designed to work with only one specific control mechanism, so you have to know what you're working with. If you just guess and skip that step, you're going to end up wasting money, returning incompatible motors, and buying twice is incredibly frustrating. To make this super easy for you, everything mentioned in this explainer is linked in the description, so check current prices there before you decide. Spring for the solar panel.
Doing this solves the second huge mistake, which is totally ignoring the power situation. Every single retrofit device obviously needs power to spin that motor. If you just rely on standard lithium batteries, eventually you'll be stuck balancing on a chair to plug them in and recharge them manually. When you add a simple solar panel accessory, it keeps the device powered indefinitely. It is so elegant. The sun literally charges the device that controls the sun, so you never have to think about power again.
The next mistake caught us completely off guard. You need a hub or bridge. A lot of these motors, straight out of the box, only communicate over Bluetooth. That's fine if you're standing right next to the window. But if you want to use Alexa or Google Home, or if you just want to close the blinds from the couch without getting up, Bluetooth just won't work on its own. You've got to budget an extra $40 to $50 for a Wi-Fi translator hub.
Stick around. What we found at number 1 changes everything.
Let's get into the specific product recommendations. First up is our best hidden solution, MySmartBlinds or iBlinds, which usually sit right in the $50 to $150 range. These are designed specifically for buyers who want the motor completely concealed inside the blind's headrail for a flawless factory-installed look. We need to honestly weigh the pros and cons here. On the plus side, you get that incredibly clean, invisible look, along with rock-solid Z-Wave and Bluetooth options. But on the downside, the installation is definitely more involved because you literally have to take the blinds down and remove the existing tilt mechanism. Oh, and fair warning, they are generally louder than the external clip-on alternatives. 4 times faster than the original. That's because you're completely replacing the manual gear, so the new motorized action is significantly quicker. That brings us to the absolute best solution if you have continuous beaded loop chains, the SOMA Smart Shades 2. If your house has vertical blinds or cellular shades with a beaded chain, this little device just hooks directly onto it. It pulls the chain exactly like a human hand would. The advantages here are super strong. You get true local control without even needing the internet, plus a fantastic quiet morning mode that slowly opens your blinds. But I will not sit on the fence about the negative here. During regular use, there is noticeable motor noise. It is definitely not completely silent. And our number 1 pick might genuinely surprise you. Clips onto the wand in under 2 minutes. That frictionless setup is exactly why this takes the top spot. Our best overall pick is the SwitchBot Blind Tilt, coming in right around $80 to $90. This is the absolute champion for standard horizontal wand blinds. It uses this incredible 2-degree precision stepper motor. That means you can set it to let in just a tiny microscopic sliver of light without fully opening the blinds.
The pros on this one are massive. Absolutely zero tools are required for setup, you get infinite battery life when you pair it with a solar panel, and it even has a built-in light sensor to adjust automatically. The only real con is that the Hub 2 is required for voice control, so that's a separate purchase. And remember, everything mentioned in this explainer is linked in the description. Check current prices there before you decide.
Here is the clearest possible final recommendation. The SwitchBot Blind Tilt is our top pick because it gives you 90% of that ultra-premium smart blind experience for a fraction of the cost. If you have horizontal wand blinds and you want total convenience without the massive contractor bill, buy this one today.
Watch next, best smart plugs for energy monitoring. Seriously, if you're automating your blinds to save on cooling, you are definitely going to want to automate your whole energy bill too. So check out that explainer next.
Subscribe to SmartHomePicksUSA. You now have everything you need, and your blinds are about to get a whole lot smarter today. It makes you wonder,